Hello students, I'm going to talk about linear functions, and I'm going to show you about this worksheet that I have posted for you to work. A linear function is going to be a straight line. Linear has the word line in it, doesn't it? If all the points in a graph lie on a straight line, then it's a linear function. Okay? So what we're going to be doing on here, we're going to see which of the given points lies on a graph given the equation. Okay? So what we're going to be using is substitution. So let's look at our example first. We have 2x plus 2y equals 20. Okay? So and you'll have your example here on your worksheet to practice also. 2x plus 2y equal 20. Well, I'm given the point 2, 8, and I want to see if that point is on that line of the function, okay? So 2 for my x, 8 for my y, okay? So where I have an x, I will substitute 2. Where I have y, I will substitute 8. So 2 times 2 plus 2 times 8 equals 20. Let's see if it does equal 20. Let's do our multiplication first, because we always have to multiply before we can add. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 times 8 is 16, equals 20. 4 plus 16 does equal 20. So this point right here is on the graph of that function. Okay, let's check the other one. We have the same equation here. 2x plus 2y equal 20. And we have the point 1, 6. 1 for the x, 6 for the y. Okay, so let's substitute. Alright, I have 1 for my x. So I'll put 2 times 1 plus 2, 6 for the y, times 6 equals 20. Multiply before we add. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 times 6 is 12. Does 2 plus 12 equal 20? No, it does not. 14 does not equal 20. So this point is not on the graph of that line. Okay? Now we have some here at the bottom, and you're given an equation. We'll work the first one together. We have x minus 5y equals 6. Okay, let's check our first point. 11 for the x, 1 for the y. Always helps to label them, just to be sure you don't get it mixed up. For the x, 11 minus 5 times the y, 1 equals 6. 11 minus 5 times 1 equals 6. 11 minus 5, 6 does equal 6. So yes, that one is on the line. Let's go to our next one. 4, 2. 4, negative 2, excuse me. Okay, write our equation again. X minus 5y equals 6. 4 for the x, negative 2 for the y. 4 minus 5 times negative 2 equals 6. 4 minus 5 times negative 2 is going to give us a negative 10 equals 6. Okay, if I have two negatives next to each other like that, they're just going to come together, zoop, and make a plus sign, right? You can also work with your positive and negatives on your calculator. All right, so put 4 minus, negative key is down here next to enter, negative 10, enter. What do we get? Same thing as 4 plus 10, because when we subtract, we are adding the opposite. So we're really just adding 10. 4 plus 10. 14 does not equal 6, so that one is not on the graph. Okay, let's do our last point here. We have 1, negative 1. Rewrite our equation. Y minus 5y equals 6. Okay, 1 for the x, negative 1 for the y. 1 minus 5 times negative 1 for the y equals 6. 1 minus 5 times negative 1, negative times positive, negative 5 equals 6. Remember, got those two negatives next to each other. That's the same thing as 1 plus 5, right? But we can always put it in our calculator, so we'll be sure we won't make a mistake. Sometimes we make common errors there. Okay, so 1 minus negative 5, enter. We get 6. So 6 does equal 6. So yes, this one is on the line of that graph. So yes here and no here. Okay, you all work the next ones and see how you do. Practice doing these. If you have difficulty, let me know and I'll come back and work the rest of them with you. But give it a go on your own. I think you can do these. See you next time.